Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Park on level ground, set the parking brake, and turn off the engine. Close all doors and remove the key so the electrical system is inactive. This prevents accidental fan start. Wait at least 5 minutes for the engine to cool if recently driven, especially after highway use. Open the driver's door and locate the bonnet release lever on the left kick panel. It is a small black lever with a pictogram, usually below the dash and near the door hinge. Check for obstructions around 3, 5. Pull the interior bonnet release lever firmly until you hear a click. The bonnet will pop up a small distance, typically about 1 inch. Walk to the front and slide your fingers under the center of the bonnet to find the safety catch. Feel for the metal lever or finger recess directly behind the grille. Push the safety catch to the right while lifting the bonnet to release the secondary latch. On many Audi A5 models, you must lift slightly while pressing the catch. Keep fingers clear of the latch area. If your Audi A5 has gas struts, raise the bonnet fully until the struts hold it securely. No prop rod is needed for most models from 2008 onward. If a prop rod is present, secure it into the hole or clip provided to hold the bonnet open. Ensure the rod seats firmly and feels stable before reaching into the engine bay. To close, remove the prop or support. Lower the bonnet to about 12 inches above the latch and let it drop gently to lock. Confirm the bonnet is flush and the latch engages by pressing down firmly once.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.